Evgeniya, Donetsk is a very gorgeous, stunning and attractive-looking Russian fitness model, Instagrammer and a social media star. She is well known for being a fitness model who has worked for various top modeling agencies and brands. Even she posed for some magazines like Vogue, Maxim and Fashion Nova. She began her modeling career from an early age. Besides this, she is a billiards player. Apart from modeling, she is constantly active and famous on various social media platforms, including Instagram. Evgeniya has earned thousands of followers on her Curvy Instagram account by sharing her gorgeous, bold, curvaceous and attractive-looking pictures, as well as fitness-related content which attracts her fans so much. Her eye-catching look, attractive figure, well-dressing sense and amazing personality also helped her to gather a massive fan base in a short span of time. She has been active on Instagram from a very young age.